Hey guys, so in the last lesson we learned how to make directories. In this lesson we're going to learn how to work with files. So let's go ahead and change into our desktop and songs uh, directory that we created previously. And when we open it up, we have list directory, and that's all we have in there for now. What we want to do is create some files in our songs directory. To do that, we type touch and then we give it the names of the files that we wanted to create. If it's multiple files, we put a space and then we type the names of the files. So in this case, I want to create these three files called tracks, favorites, and genre. Okay, so they're all going to be in songs because that's where I am at the moment. So once we create that, we can say open dot, and we can see those three files that we created in there. And make sure that they're all in songs directory. All right, so what we now want to do is write some lines of text into those. To do that, you say echo, and then you give it a string in quotations of a name. In this case, is this love, and then we save that into our favorites.txt. All right, so now the second thing we want to do is add another line of code of text. So we say buffalo soldier. All right, and then that goes into again favorite, and we complete that with a tab key, and we can say echo three little birds. Of course, I'm writing songs from Bob Marley. So now we have those three lines of text in there. We can view this by using either Nano, which is a program, or Vim, which is also a program. Okay, so we say Vim and then favorites.txt, and we can see those three lines of code there. Okay, to get out of Vim, we can type Shift and then the colon down here. All right, and then type exit. So Shift colon and exit. You can also open this up using Nano, and then the name of the file you want to open, and this is the file. This is the files here. So I've just accidentally made some changes to these files, and if I try to exit, it says ask you to save, and then you have to choose not to make any changes, and then you can exit this by hitting the enter. Okay, it's simple enough. If you didn't make any changes, you can simply open Nano and then F and then tab to complete, and you can just say Control X to exit. Okay. All right, so that is how you edit or view your edited files. Of course, you can just double click it and open it as usual. All right, so let's clear what we've done so far, and now let's see how to to copy a file and make a duplicate of it. So in this case, I want to copy favorites and I want to duplicate that file so it has another file called second favorites.txt. Now that is done. If we say open dot, we can see here that we have our second favorite.txt, and the original one is still in the same folder. So that's how you can duplicate a folder using the terminal. Next, we want to see how to remove or delete a file. So to delete that file, we just say rm for remove, and we give it a file that we want to remove and hit the enter button. And when we double check open dot, we can see that file is gone and we only have the original one there left. All right, so we want to see how to move this tracks.txt into our list folder using the terminal, of course. So to do that, use mv for move. So we say what we want to move and where we want to move it to. Okay, so this will move that file into that directory. Okay, and thus that is moved. Now if I say open dot, we can navigate directly without using the dot. We could say go into our songs folder and list, and we can see in there that we have our tracks.txt. All right, so we have covered a few things in this lesson. We've seen how to copy things, CP, how to remove, how to move, and how to open by supplying a full path to what we want to open. So that's it for this lesson, guys. I will see you in the next lesson.